In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from PayPal to Remitly. Let's begin. So first thing that you want to do is log into your PayPal account, and please bear in mind that you cannot directly send money from your PayPal to Remitly because there's no option to do that. So what you need to do first is transfer the funds from your PayPal to your bank account. So you're going to head over to the section which says transfer funds. And then you're going to transfer the money to your US bank account or transfer it to another bank account that you own. Once the money has been transferred to your bank account, simply head over to Remitly and then log into your account and then select send money here on the right side. And then it's going to ask you to select the recipients that you want to send the money to. So you're going to add yourself as a recipient, but if you've already done that, you're simply going to go to the bottom or select another option which has you as the recipient. I'll be using this one. And then you're going to choose the amounts that you want to send. And then it's going to show you the conversion. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and select continue. You can either choose Express or Economy, but please bear in mind that sometimes there's going to be different fees for both. Then from here, it's going to ask you to enter in your payment method. So it's going to ask you to enter in your new card, or you can use your bank account instead. Then select bank account. Then here you're going to enter in your details such as routing number, account number, and then the name that appears on your account. And it's going to show you your billing address, so you could either choose to have this set as your home address, and then once you're done, select continue. And what happens afterwards is they're going to bill your account for that amount that you wanted to send. And that way, that money is going to be sent to your Remitly account through the recipients that you chose. If you want to sign up for Remitly, the link will be provided in the description. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.